Have you ever tried to glue a single grain of sand onto the tip of a hair? This is the level of precision driving today's miniaturization in high-tech products. Many of these tasks are still performed manually because they're considered just too precise to automate. But hands tremble, eyes get tired, and manual accuracy has natural limits. At SmarAct Automation, we develop processes once believed to be impossible to automate. Our P50 Micro Assembly Platform provides a modular process environment combining high-precision positioning, a chamber with laminar flow capabilities and integrated interfaces for vision systems, a variety of handling and joining tools, as well as process modules for recurring assembly tasks. Grippers, adhesive dispensers or curing units are prepared, ready for integration to keep development cycles short, while maintaining the capability to offer a process adapted to your requirements. This approach allows us to adapt the machine by your product's lifecycle, extending the process or reconfiguring modules even years after or before start of production. With us, you maintain instead of rebuild. We benefit from over 20 years of experience in precision gripping, micro dispensing, integrating metrology and submicron positioning with the full potential of the SmarAct Group at our disposal. Our solutions are delivered as turnkey systems developed to your requirements, installed and developed by our experts, ready to be run by your operators. The transition from development to manufacturing becomes smooth, fast and reliable. So if you ever thought, this can't be automated, it might be time to rethink what's possible. If you're curious how automation can solve your precision challenges, feel free to reach out.